How to add apps to iCloud storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can add apps to iCloud storage, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually back up the applications to your iCloud storage, you have to use it as a device backup thing. So you can just open the settings application here, and once you launch the settings app, you can just go ahead and then scroll to your Apple ID from the very top of the screen. Once you tap your Apple ID from the top, all you have to do is simply go to this little option here known as iCloud. So once you go to iCloud, under it you'll find the option known as device backups. So here you can simply go to the device backups option and make sure to just tap on backup this iPhone here. And once you tap on backup this iPhone, it will also back up the applications to your iPhone. Now you can turn off other settings and then you will be able to back up your iPhone here. This way you should be able to go ahead and then actually add apps to iCloud storage. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.